The Idaho State Board of Education School Safety and Security Program has released 29 recommendations to keep schools safe here in Idaho. The list, part of a post-incident report from the Rigby Middle School shooting that happened back in May. That shooting left 2 students and 1 custodian injured. And last month, Rigby Middle School had yet another incident when a resource officer caught a student with a gun. No one was hurt. Our Andrew Bartline has read through the report and its recommendations. And Andrew, you also spoke to a member of the Idaho School Safety and Security Program. What did they have to say about this?
Yeah, the report focuses on the Rigby Middle School shooting in May that you just mentioned, but it evaluates what went well, of course, what could have been done better to ensure safety too. The report says other students noticed the accused shooter was drawing pictures of guns, had a change in appearance, a change in social behavior, and even some concerning social media posts. This information wasn't reported until after the shooting. So the post-incident report heavily endorses a free statewide anonymous tip line. This tip line already exists, and the report says schools should be promoting it.
And those folks who see things that they go, that's not right, have an avenue that information can be moved to the people who can do something about it.
Education added a school district doesn't need to learn by experience. The report says these 29 recommendations should be considered by school districts across the state because while the chance that a school has a shooting is low, they can happen. And as we've seen today, Mark, they do happen.
It happens in one school, it could happen in another. And the lessons we can learn in this process are like all education. You don't need to experience to learn it. You can simply gain from someone else's knowledge.
Now, if preventative measures like that tip line don't work and there is a crisis situation, the report puts an emphasis on real-time communication. The report says at the time of the Rigby Middle School shooting, students in portable classrooms were not notified that there was an active shooter because, quote, these portables were being used by the high school at the time of the incident and they were disconnected from both PA systems. So the report says fixing these kinds of gaps in communication are necessary to ensure safety. Now, we tried to also get in contact with the Jefferson School District to follow up with how this report was received. The district directed us to their website that lists some changes that they have made and includes that they have more resource officers. They doubled it from 2 to 4 district-wide. There's mental health services and an anonymous reporting app as well. If you want to see the complete post-incident report with all those 29 recommendations, we'll have that linked on our website at ktvb.com. Mark?
Really is sad they have to take those steps, but it's really good that they're doing it. Andrew, thank you.